Welcome back, beautiful people, to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this stylish abaya gown with elegant pleats. It's simple and beginners friendly. Let's get right into the video. Thanks for watching. For this abaya, I'll be using a Korean Duchess material, and I would also be beading the material. I'm going to fold the material into 4. So this is me just arranging the material. This is an illustration of how the design is, from the bust, waist, hip to the length that will have the gathers, and my full length, which is 56. I have an already made basic bodice pattern which I have manipulated the dart. That means I won't be stitching any dart directly on the fabric. The video is up on my YouTube page, so you can go ahead to watch it out. Or better still, you can just use your normal basic pattern for this style. So this is me taking the length of my gown to where I'm going to have the gathers. So I'll just go ahead to extend the length of the pattern to that level. This basic bodice pattern is for a straight gown, but I wanted my gown to be free. So I'm going to go ahead to just extend it to the length of my gathers, which is 45 inches. You know, I folded the material into 4, which means the back won't be having zip. So I'll first cut the neckline of the back by 1 inch. Then I will cut it out. Then I'll just go ahead to cut the pattern and the extension of the lines I chalked out to the 45 inches length where the gathers will be. After cutting, I will separate the front and the back from each other. Then I will curve the front armhole inside a bit. For the front neckline, I'll come down by 6 inches depth. Then I'll roll a square shaped neckline. Then I'll cut it out. Then I'll mark the center part of the neckline. Then I'll open it up. After doing that, for the front neckline design, I'll mark half an inch at both sides of the center part, then 1 inch depth. Then I'll cut it out. After cutting the shoulder to where we are going to have the gathers, yes, you can see we have cut the shoulder to where we have the gathers is 45 inch. For the gathers at the downside of the abaya, the remaining length of the gown after the 45 inches is 16 inches. So I'll just go ahead to cut the length 16 inches, then cut a very long strap of material. I also went ahead to cut some straps for the belt. So this is where it is looking: the belt, the material for the ruffles below it, and the sleeve, and also the bead I'll be using to bead it.
Sewing of the abaya.
I just love making videos of my sewing machine, so I just went ahead to just fix my thread on my machine. For the sewing part, I went ahead to make an interface for the neck of my gown, which I used the same fabric. So I also did the same thing for the back. So I'll go ahead to iron it and show you how it looks like. This is how the neck is looking. I've gone ahead to turn it using hemming gun, and I've also ironed it. See the inside also. Same thing as the back. I've turned the neckline. I'll join the shoulders. I'll join the shoulders also. Then I'll shape it. It is a free gown with a belt, so I'll just shape the sides. So I'll shape it and I'll join the shoulders. Then I'll show you how it looks like. After I've joined the shoulders, I'll go ahead to shape the sides of my gown. This is how the gown is looking after I've shaped the sides and I've joined the shoulders. For the pleats at the downside of the gown, strap that I cut before, I've gone ahead to just hem the downside of it. You can see I've hemmed the downside. So I'll just on it here. I'll be pleating it on it. I will show you the way I'm pleating it on the machine. Just watch the way I'm pleating it. I'm just making different random folds on the material, not a calculated pleat. So you can see the way I'm pleating it. You can see just so it can have coily. It's not all these straight pleats. It's all these pleats that kind of form coils and curves. So I'm done doing the gathers. You can see how it is. I'll go ahead to attach this down part on it here. Down part will be gathered under it. You can see the down part will be gathered under it. So I've gone ahead to close the opening of the long strap. Then I'll just go ahead to hem the down part. So that when I'm done with the dress, I don't need to hem it. So I hem it now. Then the upper part that I didn't hem, I'll go ahead to attach it to the gathers and also make gathers on it like this. You can see how beautiful the pleats look under the abaya gown. So I'll go ahead to cut the sleeve and fix it. This is the sleeve of the hand. So I'll just go ahead to hem the downside of the sleeve, then shape it. So I'll just go ahead to shape the sleeve of the gown. So this is how the sleeve turned out to be. So I'll go ahead to attach the sleeve to the gown and show you how it looks like. After attaching the sleeves to the abaya, I'll just go ahead to make the rope for the abaya. So that's what I'm sewing now here. So I've gone ahead to do the belt, so I'm going to iron it. When I was done sewing this beautiful abaya, I also beaded the abaya. Please do well to watch the beading tutorial of this abaya sleeve. It's very explanatory and detailed. I will drop the link to the video in the description below. The abaya gown looked gorgeous on me. Thanks for watching to the end. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. See you in my next video. Bye.